Hello, it's Helen here. Are you getting tired of baking your chicken breast over and over as a healthy diet? I am getting tired of it, so today I'm going to show you a new recipe that you can cook your chicken breast with lemon. And I bet you will enjoy it so much with the extra freshness from the lemon. Clean the surface of lemon with salt. Put into the water and wash it thoroughly. Wipe the lemon with the paper towel. Shred the half of the lemon skin. Remember, only half of the lemon. Mix the shredded lemon with the salt, and it will be around half tablespoon. Cut another half lemon into slices and leave another half for drizzling the juice. Get the chicken breast and clean with the paper towel. Add in the lemon salts, the lemon slide, and remember to leave 2 slices for cooking. And drizzle half lemon juice into. Marinate for at least 1 hour. You can put that overnight. Take out the lemon slide. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and half teaspoon of black pepper. Massage them a bit to making sure the chicken breast absorb all the flavors thoroughly. Heat the pan at high heat and drizzle some oil. Put in the chicken breast. Wait for the chicken becomes golden color, and then flip it over. This step is to making sure the juice stay inside of the chicken without running out because of the heat. Add in the sliced garlic, sliced lemon, and rosemary for extra flavor. Add in half cup of cold water. Cover with the lid. Cook for at least 5 minutes. Flip them over with a tongue. You want to do it slowly and be careful of the heat. Cover it for at least another 5 minutes. You want to check if there is pink color inside of the chicken. Cover the lid to cook for another 2 to 5 minutes. You want to adjust the timing based on how thick your chicken breast is. Now the chicken is ready. Turn on the high heat to letting all the juice absorb into the chicken breast. Take out the chicken breast. Add in the sliced almond. The fresh and therapeutic smell from the lemon comes out of this dish. You will enjoy it so much. Thank you for watching.